After more than 60 years of service, it's time to say goodbye to a true legend of the Indian skies, the MiG-21 fighter jet. The Indian Air Force will officially retire the MiG-21s on September 19 with a grand farewell at Chandigarh Air Base, the same place where it all began in 1963. From being India's first supersonic jet to becoming a symbol of power and pride, the MiG-21's story is one that shaped Indian military aviation. India once operated 874 MiG-21s, many built right here by Hindustan Aeronautics. It was cheap, reliable, and easy to produce, making it perfect for a growing air force. Yes, it was old. Yes, it earned the nickname Flying Coffin due to accidents, but delays in the Tejas program and a lack of replacements meant the MiG-21 had to hold the fort, and it did year after year. The MiG-21 is more than just a plane, it's a war hero. It played a major role in the 1971 war, bombing runways and shooting down enemy jets. In Kargil, it hit enemy bunkers. In 2019, Abhinandan Vardhaman flew a MiG-21 against Pakistan's F-16s and changed the narrative once again. From blockbuster films like Rang De Basanti to thrilling air shows, the MiG-21 became a household name, a symbol of strength and sacrifice. Did you know, in a 2004 exercise, Indian MiG-21s defeated US F-15s in air combat drills, stunning the American Air Force? From Vietnam to the Middle East, MiG-21s shot down powerful jets like F-4s, Mirages, and even a Pakistani Atlantique over Kutch. The MiG-21 proved again and again that it could punch way above its weight. As the MiG-21s retire, they will be replaced by India's very own fighter, the light combat aircraft Tejas Mark 1A. HAL plans to deliver the first 6 jets by March 2026 as India builds a modern air force for the future. But for many, especially veterans and aviation lovers, the MiG-21 will always have a special place in the sky and in the heart.